Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Yo, is that JM? About to loop the shit out of this. I'm sorry, man. I didn't even... What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on that channel. If you don't know me, I am Baked, and I'm just your normal, everyday motor vlogger. Today we got a little... well, this evening, I should say, we got a little car meet. Very cloudy out, as you can see, but it feels nice. It feels real nice. It's about 75 degrees. Woo! Feels good. Yay, we're at the front of the line. Oh, it's so windy. Uh-oh. Watch out, people. Wee woo, wee woo. Somebody dying. Hold on. Ooh, nice C8 behind me. ZL1 or something? Sheesh! No. Just a Z06. Long haul wheelie. Yeah, I already see a cop. That ain't good. Must mean we're in the right spot, though. I see one bike, chat. Oh, I see a few. Never mind. Alright, we're chilling. Skirt!
Yo, you baked? Oh, yo,
What's up, bro? Yo, what's up?
No, I'm sorry, you have no idea who I am, bro.
No, I don't. What's your name, bro?
Nate.
Nate, nice to meet you. You already know we heading out from the meet, bruh. Got hella people out here. So many bikes, bro. Freaking crazy. Yeah, bro, there's haven't seen this many bikes out in a hot minute, dude. It's awesome. The weather's perfect. Got a beautiful sunset. Cops are being pretty chill. Alright, we're gonna have to go over here. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Sorry, this is the only gap. Nice bike, bro. Bro, I just saw you at the meet. I just saw you at the meet, bro. What's up?
Like right beside you.
What's your name, bro?
Dalton.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ashton.
Nice to meet you. What is that bike, bro?
Right now. I feel
Clean, clean. I like the... Yeah, bro. Y'all on video. Say what's up to the OnlyFans.
What's up, chat?
What's with the suit, bro?
I just fucked with the suit.
I mean...
I thought it looked good today. It was a nice day outside.
Alright, bro, you look dapper, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of clashes with her fit, but you know, whatever.
She'll be alright.
Yeah.
She likes the all black look. Sometimes I like to mix it up.
I could tell. Crazy seeing y'all here, bro.
The fucking wheelie out of nowhere just kind of sent me. I literally wasn't recording, I was like... Because we were just doing a photo shoot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Shoot, bro, you want me to take some for you? Bro, why am I being a photographer right now? Alright, I got you. Good meeting y'all. I'm sorry, man. I didn't even see you back there.
That's not the point.
Yeah, I get it.
A wheelie right in the middle of the road?
No, you're right. I'm sorry, man. I got it in my pocket. Can I get it out? See you later, brother. God dang it. What the heck kind of two-tone goofiness is this? Oh, it's bright. I got my mirror back on too, so I don't accidentally run from the cops. Cause not trying to go to jail like this boy right here. How long is half a mile? Bruh, this second shake is so small, bro. We're finna pack this thing out. Bike. Yay, holy MT09 SP. Got the boys all booted up with the bikes. Heading out to the next meet now, bro. 2 meets in one night. That's what I'm talking about. Got our boy with the Gixxer, and then our boy JM here with the brand new MT07. Looking sexy. I was planning on ride with more people, but dude buddy here wanted to leave. I've never ridden with this boy before. It's not a cop back there, is it? No, it's just a Tesla. We're chilling. Woo! I smell something cooking, bro. What the heck? Smells Asian. Okay, hold on. Not like that, bro. What the frick? Right here? Hey, yeah, there we go. Is there any bikes around here? Jeez. What's going on, dog?
I like your gloves.
Appreciate it, bro.
That's just the duck.
Oh, you got the dog? That's sick.
You want to take a picture with him?
Take a picture with it?
Yeah. I got an Instagram account for it.
Oh, shit. Sure. Oh, I got you.
This is the last thing yesterday.
Bro's finna be famous with the duck. Huh? Alright. They want to see a little something. About to loop the shit out of this. Is that freaking Spartact, bro? I saw him last night. Spartact? Is that you? Were you at the mall yesterday at like 1 o'clock at night? Cause I saw Daytona. Yeah, did you see two FZs?
Huh?
Did you see two FZs pulling out canes? Yeah, that was me and my boy last night. What's up?
Hey, bro, you inspired me to do a fucking staggered. I ripped one on the way home. Yeah.
Bro, it's so easy. It's so much better. Staggered or knee knockers, bro? That's where it's at. Holy cam.
Hell yeah. I remember when you couldn't wheel it.
Me too, bro. Not too long ago. Wrong on Wheelie. Ah! Woo! Woo! There you go, boy. Heck yeah. Little highway wheelie. Woo! Those freaking going 80 miles an hour in a wheelie, holy crap. Holy crap. How is she alive, bro? Wavelength. We did the same thing. I see some cool cars over here, so I guess we're just gonna go this way. We made it, boys. Got a little car meet going on, but we heading out, you know. Cause I ain't trying to stay out super late, cause I stayed out late last night. Yo, is that JM? Hold on, bro. I gotta go talk to that boy. Yo, bro, I was just leaving. Freaking had to turn around to come talk to you. What's up?
Dude, why are you dipping?
I don't know. I've been here for a little while. I've been riding all day.
When I pulled in, I saw the cops there. I was like, oh, no way. I pulled up right when it got shut down.
No, they're not shutting it down. They're just over there for the main event thing or whatever. Yeah, but.
Well, glad you turned around, bro.
Yeah, I was about to head out, but had to talk to you real quick.